Put all your coins in there. Because I need one of these because I'll be going to the laundromat. Look at this.
Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. I got a little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. See my girls, we shine.
Boy, be quiet. What's good, y'all? Meet my new friend. His name is Finchy. He is for sale. Shut your ass up. Be quiet. Okay. Alright, he's gonna make the video now. We'll start over. What's good, y'all? It's your girl Cherish. Cherish, 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 A. Cherish, 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 A. Ain't no stopping when you pop in, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so I'm just about to show y'all some inventory today. We have so much inventory. Stinking trinkets, bougie girl events, we sipping paints, all that. You know, we some entrepreneurs over here. Entrepreneur women. And I'm just about to show y'all my inventory. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yes.
Let's get to it. Alright, so got my hat. I can't even, with this hair, I can't even show y'all what it do, but got some hats. Tie-dye. Y'all know I love my tie-dye color. $5. Louis V. Look at that grain on there. That look kind of cool, you know what I'm saying? That look good. $5. $5. $5? Oh my god, it's so affordable. Bitch, I'm coming through like the Undertaker. Okay. See, this is not the right hair for this hat, but I'm coming through like the Undertaker. Ooh, that's a hip right there. Pimp name sleep back. Look how it tilt though. Like, I'm player. So later. There's more. Bands are different. Did y'all see that? Did y'all catch that? Carmen San Diego. I like that one. Oh shit. Miss Daisy. Miss Daisy ass. I know y'all gonna like them. I like this. Match my little black shirt. This one, this the player one. It's already wrapped up and all that. Okay. So that is the hats. And I'm gonna show y'all what else I got, y'all. Is y'all ready? Is y'all ready? Okay, so let me show you our best seller. Queen. This is our best seller. We only got a couple left. Hopefully they just sell out and so we can get something new that's my favorites. So then we got the summery sashes. I like these. These are like handmade, huh? Handmade. Nice, affordable price. This is in style right now. So this is our fall colors. Cute. Spring, I mean. This is our spring color.
For Easter.
For Easter. Bam. Boom. Look at this cutie. This is super cute, y'all. Yes. Oh, and you do it like this too.
These can be across body.
So these could be, you know, go across. Super cute. Different colors. Nudes. And what's that, rose? Rose. Different color. The other bag is black. I'm digging the black. Yes. This is so cute. This is a coin fanny pack. It can go around. You can hold it like that. Put all your coins in there. Because I need one of these because I'll be going to the laundry mat. Look at this. This is super cute. All right. Fanny packs, y'all. Super cute. And it comes in white. The other one that I just showed y'all. Pop in. There's more. This is one of my favorites. Let me show y'all. And you can wear it around across, or you can hold it like this if you want. Alright, so this one right here got the little silver chain, and you can do it as a belt too. This is super cute. Small. You can go to like a concert. I keep talking about a concert because I'll be going to concerts, y'all. Hobo crossbody, y'all. Look at that.
Red, black, and beige.
We got red, we got black, and we got beige. No.
That's a little beaded.
Now this is beautiful. Beautiful. With that.
When you're going out, just hold the phone in.
Hold your phone in there, that's it. Perfect. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my